If your travel gear isn't keeping up with you, it might be time to upgrade to a rolling duffel bag. Not only do they offer plenty of room for your essentials, but they also make navigating busy airports and rugged terrain a breeze. But with so many rolling duffel bags on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the 7 best rolling duffel bags. Whether you're looking for something extremely durable or stylish, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 7 is the Travelers Club Expedition Rolling Duffel. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This bag has got tons of space. The main compartment is roomy, so whether you're packing for a weekend or a longer adventure, you're covered. This bag has multiple zippered pockets, so you can stash your shoes, toiletries, and even snacks in separate spots without everything getting mixed up. The inline skate wheels glide smoothly, and the telescopic handle makes steering it around a breeze. Plus, if you need to carry it, sturdy handles are on the top and rear for easy grabbing. This duffel bag is crafted from durable 600D polyester, designed to withstand the wear and tear of even the toughest journeys. And when it's time to store it, you can just roll it up so it won't be taking up too much space. Overall, the Travelers Club Expedition Rolling Duffel is a great choice for those looking for something more affordable, while still having plenty of space and pockets for your busy trips. Number 6 is Away, the Outdoor Rolling Duffel. This rolling duffel is built with a hard back shell for durability and a soft, packable front that can squish into tight spaces. Plus, it's made from water-resistant dual-action fabric. So, whether you're hiking in the rain or rolling through puddles at the airport, your stuff stays dry and safe. Plus, with 85 liters of room, you can pack everything you need: clothes, shoes, even that extra hoodie you might wear. It also features smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, which means you won't break a sweat hauling it around. Plus, the multiple interior compartments help keep your smaller items neatly organized. It also has a unique flip-fold frame that makes packing simpler and folds down entirely flat for easy storage when your duffel isn't in use. However, it does have some potential drawbacks. The material on it, although sturdy, is fairly thin, which could mean it won't be as durable as others on this list. Number 5 is the Briggs Riley ZDX Carry-On Two-Wheel Duffel. With its sleek and modern design, you'll be traveling in style. The outside handle of this duffel bag is designed in a way that the inside stays flat, which means more packing space and wrinkle-free clothes. Plus, there's this massive top pocket with a waterproof lining, making it perfect for shoes, wet swimsuits, or that half-finished water bottle you forgot to cap. It also features easy-access pockets, which are a lifesaver when you need to grab things real quick. Dragging this thing around is smooth. Its two-wheel action glides like butter across any floor. And because it's still considered a carry-on, you can also fit it in overhead compartments. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While the bag is generally praised for its ballistic nylon exterior, you should still be careful. Handling it too rough, like throwing it around, can cause increased wear and potential tears. Plus, some users find the bag's base weight too heavy, which could be a problem if you prefer packing light. And if you want to know the latest prices for the rolling duffel bags discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Samsonite Andante two-wheeled rolling duffel bag. At 22 inches, it's the perfect size when you want that extra space without being too bulky. Even so, it's still tough with its polyester fabric, so it can handle the roughest of handling. It features end pockets specifically for your shoes or any wet items to save you from soggy disasters. You also get corner protectors, so your duffel bag is shielded more when thrown in tight spaces. Plus, the large U-shaped main opening is like opening a treasure chest. Everything inside is easy to see and grab without messing up the rest of your stuff. Inside this bag, there's a ton of space to fit your clothes, shoes, and even that extra hoodie you always pack, just in case. This duffel is lightweight and easy to roll. It has smooth inline skate wheels and external grab handles, so you won't have to break a sweat lugging it around. However, unlike hard-shell suitcases, this bag's soft material might not provide the same level of protection for delicate items. Number 3 is the Osprey Transporter wheeled duffel. This bag is built for adventure because of its all-terrain wheels, which means you can roll this baby over sidewalks, rocky trails, or even through airport terminals without a hassle. The bag is made from durable, weather-resistant materials, so your stuff stays safe and dry no matter what. Don't worry about fitting everything in. This bag is 90 liters. You can pack clothes, gear, and even that extra pair of shoes you may need. The wide opening with lockable zippers makes packing and unpacking a breeze while keeping your stuff secure. Plus, there are handy external pockets for your small essentials like chargers and snacks. This bag is built on the Osprey High Road chassis, which means a sturdy frame and smooth wheels. And with the retractable ergonomic grip handle, you won't have to worry about awkwardly lugging it around. It's comfy and easy to maneuver. Inside, it's got an internal compression strap system, so you can strap your stuff down to keep everything neat and secure. Plus, there's panel zip access to the main compartment, and the zippers are lockable, so your gear stays safe whether you're on a plane or tossing it in the back of a car. Overall, the Osprey Transporter is a solid choice for adventurous travelers who prioritize durability and large packing space. While it excels in ruggedness and versatility, its premium price and limited internal organization may not suit everyone. If you're after a tough, no-nonsense travel bag, this one could be worth the investment. Number 2 is the North Face Base Camp Rolling Thunder. If you're someone who loves adventure but also needs your stuff organized and secure, this bag is a perfect fit for you. It's got a whopping 95-liter capacity, which means you can pack everything from your hiking boots to your favorite hoodie. It's made from recycled base camp fabric, which is not only tough, but also eco-friendly. It features a hard-shell chassis and is durable and water-repellent. This makes it capable of handling whatever your trip throws at it, whether you're heading to the mountains or the airport. Plus, the simplified back panel and reinforced wheels make rolling it around feel like a breeze. Inside, you've got all the compartments and organization you could ask for, so no more digging around for your charger or snacks, and the design is sleek enough to make you feel like a pro traveler. However, its size can be an issue for certain types of travel. While it's perfect for longer trips, it's too large to be used as a carry-on for most airlines, and could even face oversized baggage charges on some domestic flights. Another potential downside is its weight. The bag itself is fairly heavy due to its robust materials and hard-shell chassis, which could be a problem if you're trying to avoid overweight baggage fees. Overall, the North Face Base Camp Rolling Thunder is a fantastic choice for adventurers who need a reliable, tough bag that can handle rough handling and lots of gear. Number 1 is the Travel Pro Bold Drop Bottom Wheeled Rolling Duffel. It's made of tough, high-density polyester fabric that's durable and even has a water-repellent coating, so you don't have to worry about your stuff getting soaked if you get caught in the rain. Plus, the bag's drop-bottom compartment is very handy. You can keep your shoes, dirty clothes, or anything you want to separate from the rest of your stuff down there. It's like having 2 bags in one. The handle of this duffel is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's strong but lightweight. It also has multiple stops, so you can adjust it to whatever height feels comfy for you. Overall, the Travel Pro Bold Drop Bottom Rolling Duffel is a solid choice for adventurers who need ample storage and rugged reliability. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect rolling duffel bag much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.